Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm based in Sedgefield in the Western Cape of South Africa. I've started documenting my Comfrey journey here, beginning with Bocking 14 and growing them in movable containers. This is my first proper update, and over the last few days I've started seeing small new growth coming through on the crowns, which is really encouraging. My goal is to learn and track what works in our conditions and eventually build towards cuttings, crowns, compost and regenerative growing resources. If you want to follow the journey or join in the interest list, the link is in the description. These small growths are really exciting for me. Just look at how quickly they are growing. This is 1 week after planting. We've had quite a bit of rain. Temperature-wise, we've been averaging around 22 degrees Celsius in the daytime and around 18 degrees Celsius in the evening. There's been rainfall for 4 days out of 7.